Hi friends, so I am going to make I would say fairly simple craft. I saw this online as well. I think the blog was a couple years old, but and so these are different. But these are Dollar Tree Christmas villages. They're like plastic. They're cute too because they have this hole. It has an advisory on it, but it has this hole so that you can put plastic LED lights. Don't use real because it's flammable, but you just pop them in there and turn it on. I'm not sure if you can see the twinkly light in there, but yeah, so I don't actually have a Christmas village. I'm going to start one, I guess, with these. I'm gonna spray them white. This is Blossom White Satin Spray Paint. If it's too shiny, I might spray it with a clear matte paint, but I think this might be the right amount of shine. And then you're going to glue on this glitter snow. I think there's like buffalo snow, might be a different type, but I'm gonna try this. It's pretty, it's sparkly. I'm gonna put it on the roof. I don't know if I'm just gonna cover the snow part. I probably will do a lot more because, you know, sparkly. So I have two different type of Mod Podge here. I'm probably gonna go with the gloss. It depends on how shiny this satin paint is. So I'm not gonna actually videotape me spraying because I spray like a maniac, but I will go ahead and spray paint these with probably 1 or 2 coats, and then I will come back.